Welcome back to Bazaar Morning Call. Plenty of stocks to talk about. So let's take it straight to our research team standing by to give us a list of top 10 stocks. First up, I'm tracking TVS Motor this morning. The company has approved an issue of bonus preference shares. Now, this is in the ratio of 4 non-convertible redeemable preference shares for every 1 equity share that you hold. And this will be amounting to 1,900 crores, will be utilized from the general reserve of the company. So not just the bonus issue, the company has also inducted 2 new independent directors. We have Vijay Shankar, who is the Sanmar Group Chairman, and Shailesh Haribhakti of Shailesh Haribhakti and Associates will be joining in as the 2 new independent directors. The purpose of the board to do this is to enhance corporate governance standards and benefit from the expertise of the new appointments. So I reckon this will be taken very well by the street. This stock in any case has almost doubled in the last 1 year. It's been the strongest auto stock, the strongest two-wheeler name as well. So I'm going with green on TVS Motor. But Vivek has a bunch of stocks in the news for us. Vivek, over to you.
Well, good morning. Quite a few stocks are in focus on the back of Newsflow. First up, pharma name Wockhardt will be in focus. The company has said that they are launching a QIP in order to raise funds. They have not yet specified the quantum of the funds they intend to raise, but the floor price for this particular QIP has been fixed at 544 rupees a share. So keep an eye out for Wockhardt. The second stock on the radar is RVNL. Some more positive news flow coming in. The company has emerged as the lowest bidder. Now, this is for building a rail electric traction system, and this is for Southeastern Railway. The total project cost is over 167 crore. And lastly, keep an eye out for JSW Infra. The ports handle or the cargo handled by the ports is quite strong. The company has said that the total cargo handled on a consolidated basis has crossed 100 million metric tons, and this particular figure is, given the fact that it has excluded the acquisitions that the company made in FY24 and also the cargo that has been handled on an operation and maintenance basis. So some strong volume coming in from JSW Infra.
Well, let's talk about more stocks with Newsflow. Upasana is here with that list. Upasana.
Well, first up is Prince Pipes. That will be on focus on the back of the acquisition. The company acquires bathware brand Aquil and the plant located at Bhuj, Gujarat for 55 crores. Well, the acquisition will take place via an asset purchase agreement with Klaus Warren Fixtures and Narshi Munjisha for purchase of assets. Mind you that the acquisition belongs to the bathware and fitting industry. Well, second stock on my radar is Crompton Greaves Consumer. The company strengthens its footprint in the agriculture sector, securing fourth consecutive order for solar water pumping system from HAREDA, that is Haryana under PM Kusum scheme, and the total orders accrued till now under the scheme is almost 65.6 crores. Well, lastly, PB Fintech will also be in focus as the company to incorporate arm PB Pay Private Limited to carry on the business of payment aggregator. On incorporation of the proposed company, the company will apply to RBI for payment aggregator license. That's the reason even this stock will be in focus today.
Well, keep an eye on all of them. Thanks a lot for that, Upasana. But let's hop across to Rima. She's here to tell us some more stocks and the news. Morning, Rima.
Hi, good morning. So let me start with Hinduja Global, where the company has approved a plan to rationalize the supply chain of its media and media-related business to bring in operational efficiency. And a part of this step is to monetize their optical fiber assets for a consideration of 208 crore, which will go to bring down their debt. So good news for Hinduja Global, debt reduction on the anvil. Saskintech has gone ahead and acquired a 60% stake in Anup Silicon for 38.5 crore rupees. Now, the company, in the release says that as of now, there is no revenue for Anup Silicon because they have not yet completed 1 year of a turnover. But this will help in the expansion of Saskins and, provide its growth plans. And finally, ASM Tech. It's a small company. Market cap is just about 1,000 crore rupees. They have announced a 170 crore fundraise. Of that, 70 crore was already raised via a preferential issue, and the balance will be raised over a period of time. Back to you.
Okay, thanks a lot, Rima, for that. Well, lots of stocks in focus. In case you missed out on any, here's a quick recap. We're looking at TVS Motor, Wockhardt, RVNL, JSW Infra, Prince Pipes, Crompton, PB Fintech, Hinduja Global, Saskintech and ASM Tech. That's on the radar on the back of positive news flow. And there's no stock with major negative news flow today, so that's interesting. But there are